touch the stars when the lights are gone. When the lights are gone.
Yes. Oh my god! I can fish off of the... Just keep going. I can't see, like, anything. What's this for? Just go stand on that little thing. Let me just throw this in the back. No. Geico. Yeah, it sounds very good. Don't move the shovel. You're digging with it backwards. I don't care. God. What, was it really that deep? It sounded closer to the surface. It was. Oh my god. But it's better to be safe than sorry, Kyle. No, not really. Yeah, that's on the surface. You just put it. I see rust. I don't. I see a worm. You want pinpointer? No, I've got one. Yep, I got it. Nope, I got it. No, come here. Alright, I put mine away. We're just filming. What? Damn, you just can't decide where to go. You'd wait in this hole. Oh, it's in your hand. You can see it. It's the very edge of a pull tab. No, that's gold, right? Get it on don't fucking touch it, man. Get it on lah. I'm shaking, you can tell how nervous I am for this. Wow. Was it marked? Oh, no, it's raining. No! I think I know what it is. This time it really is what I said last time. It's a nickel. Nickel. Buffalo? Yeah, you can see right there's the Indian. His name's Jefferson. Oh, here it is. Whoa! Wow. What is that doing? I don't want to carry this around, but I kind of have to. Doink. I got two giant things. What the hell? You missed! You're gonna snap that thing in half. Oh, it's already snapped in half. Well, you're gonna completely snap in. Oh my god. Going through there, sticks in. Oh, you hit it. Oh wait, they're not wrapped around. They're just hanging over. I know. So you have to hit the one ball so it flips around. I might just wait. There you go. You completely missed. Oh, it's coming. Hold on, don't throw it yet. I'm gonna get this. Oh, no! You might have just gotten us stuck even more. Hold on. Yo. Don't worry. Where's my house? Yes! Yo! She's still good. Wait. Like, oh my god, dude, what the frick? Did the rock survive? No. Did the beach survive? No! Oh my god, dude. Get out here the day it lowers. This is like supposed to be 50 feet down. Quarter?
So.
She's close to the surface, bro.
Oh my god.
It's a red dime, I think. I don't know if I trust it.
I would. Oh, it sounds disgusting. Uh-oh. Who's D? There it is. It's a hole.
Oh.
There it is. See it right there? No. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, it's one of those keys.
It's like a crank thing, though, yeah. Maybe to like an old clock.
It might be like an old bit.
It is. Look at it.
I would get it.
It's just like a bar.
Here, let me.
It's not moving.
That's okay.
Wait, hold on, let me. Okay, never mind.
I think that's a.
I really don't want to give it to
It's
her.
a knife.
Ew.
You made me miss that.
Hey.
It's a hoe. It's now just a portable little hoe. Yo, I'm gonna use
Wait, hold on, let me tighten it.
Yo, it's my shovel. Some nigga sees me with this up there.
Look at that.
Look at him.
That's how to dig the CD plugs.
Oh my god, I'm using it like that. Just leave this here and bury it.
And then you got a plate.
That's where you put the dirt on. It's very precise. Honestly, it happens.
Ooh.
Look, she's digging beautiful plugs.
You can flick the coins out.
Oh, it's a quarter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Its first find was actually good.
How the hell did it get snagged like that?
What?
The lure.
The hooer?
The Hooters? Oh, I got it.
Entertainment and
It's
distributed.
like the very first ever automatic.
All rights reserved 2020.
No.
Executive producers Quik and
Until-
Chase. Associate producer.
I'm not gonna take that long route.
Why?
There's water.
Oh my god!
I hope the windshield wipers work. I don't know how to turn them on.
Fuck.
No.